Okay, I want to show you guys the accuracy of this strategy. This is crash 1000, and remember, whenever I want to do my analysis, I love going to the very higher time frame, like the one, like the 4 hours time frame or the daily time frame. Okay, so now we want to go to the daily time frame. I'm moving to the daily time frame. Let me delete these two. Let me delete all that out and start again. So on on your daily time frame, you want to make up a story that will guide you, to tell you exactly what you need to do. Okay, to see the bigger picture. So what do you do on the daily? Here's the story here. Here's the story on the daily time frame. So we have a market going up like this. We have an uptrend, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and lower low. So market, this is a pullback. This is not a clear uptrend. I think this is a pullback. Market is going back to this point to start dropping again down to this point, maybe. All right. So now that's the story. Okay. After that, where do we have as our support and resistance? All right. So we have our support right here, right there, and we have our resistance here. We have something like a resistance here where market reversed from before. Okay, so now if we look again around this level, you see we have something like a trend. Something like a trend right there. Something like a trend right there. Something like a trend right there. So you see, so we are in a downtrend. This is a downtrend. Obviously, it's a downtrend, coupled with the market structure that we've seen on the daily time frame. So that's the story. Our story now, our story is going this way. We are looking at selling all the way down to this point or these other points again. Right? We're looking at selling to this point again. So that's our story. So yeah, on the 4 hours time frame, we have the structure. That's very structure again. On the 4 hours time frame, we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, equal highs, and lower low that broke the previous low down to this point. Then this is a pullback for the sell to continue, to downtrend to continue. So you can see that now, right? So that means we are in the downtrend. So the pressure will be going down whenever market gets to a certain key resistance around this level, key supply around this level. So now I just moved away from the key supply. Now we've gotten our market structure on the 4 hours time frame. We've developed we did make up a story on the daily time frame, and on the 4 hours time frame, the market, we defined the market structure. Now we are going to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we're looking at candlestick. We're looking to the left where market dropped from, okay, where the market started coming down from, and also we're looking at the candlesticks to the left. Yes, we want to see the last up candlestick, and we want to see the pressure in the market because we want to know where we have most sellers in the markets for us to take advantage of this market. So I've shared this signal with my friends, all right, with my guys, with the channel. Okay, so we are running good profits. So now around this level to the left, what I mean to the left here, we have this, you can see this pressure, we have sell pressure here. We can see the rejection and this strong bearish candlestick, right? You see the rejection and the strong bearish candlestick. So if you check again on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see on the 15 minutes time frame we have clear 1, 2, and 3 candlesticks, and it was really massive. Okay, it was really massive. So now we know that there's a sell pressure here. We have more sellers around this level, so we'll be looking for selling opportunity. And how do we do that? We're looking for the last up candlestick. Looking for the last up candlestick right there. So here is our last up candlestick. That's our last up candlestick. So after seeing the last up candlestick, and we have to wait for market to get to that point again, right? So market went up to that point. Yeah, we have market around that level, and it started losing momentum. We started seeing this a a bit of range, started ranging around that level, which tells us that there's no longer pressure, buy pressure in this market. So we don't longer have much buyers around this level. A lot of people are saying sell around this level. So that's what it tells. Now look at on the 30 minutes time frame, you can see the candlestick. We had a strong pin rejection and market closed like this. This is a good confirmation, sell confirmation candlestick. And we had another rejection. The second green candlestick rejected, and this last one, and there was a massive spike. Now on the 1 hour time frame, let me delete this. On the 1 hour time frame, you need to be very conscious. This is why I keep telling you guys, do backtesting. Backtesting, if you do backtesting, you'll be able to tell that, you see what happened when we had this candlestick with long rejection and close like this, the tiny body. You see what happened? We had this massive spike down, all the way down, and we have that same candlestick here again. See, this candlestick did the same thing. It went up a bit before the last spike, all the way down, and market will keep going down. So we had the same thing here, and the same thing repeats itself here. So you need to be closer to your chart. It's not everything they will tell you. There are some things you need to realize or discover on your own through by practicing every day, by doing your top-down analysis and backtest your chart every day. You get to understand, get to figure out some stuffs on your own. So seeing this kind of candlestick, market reversed here, I saw the same thing. I knew that it would be reversing, it to spike. That's why I opened a position right there, and there was a massive spike. This was my entry. This was my entry on the 5 minutes time frame. This was my entry on the 5 minutes time frame. Just entered at that point, and there was a massive spike, and market was going down. I know it's my spike somewhere here. This one that we see here might keep spiking and give us more money. So you can see, very simple. Instead of you to wait for indicator to tell you do this and do that, you can come in and catch your spikes without fear. So that's simple, guys. I know this video just dropped now. This information is very, it's gonna be really helpful. So I'd like you guys to show me some love by liking, subscribing to this channel, comments, drop some good comments, and tell me what exactly you want us to do or you want me to do next. Okay, and don't forget to join the free Telegram channel for more information. There's something I'm planning to do. I want to take 10 trades with you guys, everybody. Okay, so if you don't join the free Telegram channel, check the description box to join. If you don't join the Telegram channel, you won't be able to get or follow up with what I'm about to do. I want to see everybody grow together alongside with me. Let's see from now to December how much we'll be able to generate from the market with little equity, little capital, how much we can make from the market. Okay, so that's what I want to do. So you need to join the free Telegram channel to be able to follow up what we're about to do, and tap on your post notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, next video, you see and follow up. Okay, yeah, so let's do that. Share this video with friends so that everybody will benefit too. Keep on, wherever I show you here, whenever I show you something, I expect you to go and back test. Okay, try what I've shown you, watch the video over and over to have good understanding, and go and practice exactly what you've seen here. Now, if it looks as if you don't understand, you need to come back and watch the video again to have good understanding. All right, that's simple. Let me tell you guys, what really changed the game for me was backtesting over and over. That's the only thing that changed the game for me. After that, I started seeing the market, I started understanding the market, started understanding their behaviors. So you need to do this also. Okay, so that'll be all for now. Bye.